I thought I was recording that whole time. It's a lovely duet with a blackbird. Well, maybe this one is singing with me now. Battery's gonna run out on this phone, so just toning with the birds. Maybe this is going to be more widespread. Anyway, I am vocal toning in aid of my vagus nerve. Just letting whatever comes through, in other words. And you can do the same, please do. And I noticed that a blackbird was singing in between when I was toning. And then I thought, ooh, I'll try and capture it on video. Because I captured it on voice recorder, but not on the, yeah. The sky is looking lovely, so have a look yourself. Ooh. So if nothing else, even if I don't touch my guitar, like, who wants to hear the guitar, right? A little bit of vocal toning every day. I guess there's an optimal length of time. What was that bird? That you could do it for to effect this vagus nerve toning, or vagus nerve goodness. It's so beautiful here, and if I turn the camera around, you don't really see how majestically splendid this land is. And I'll try anyway. Listen to the natives. Yeah, it's really nice. So, happy 1st of May to you, or whatever day you're watching this on. But yeah, take that into you. Blessings of the 1st of May. Where's all the stray cats and dogs here? I don't see any, but you sure can hear the birds. Yeah, try a duet with your local wild birds, because it was going real good there for a while. Didn't get it on video, but I didn't get it on audio either, because when I have the camera opened on the phone, it shuts down on the audio recording as well. Anyway, yeah. I'm sure even if it happened to be that I was singing in between the bird song, I'm sure that this is building a rapport with our wild nature. So yeah, probably not the first one to say that. Enjoy your day.